What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. We're Albert and Trasa, and this is our Storyteller Overland Ghost. We're not full-time van lifers yet, but we take every opportunity we can to camp, hike, kayak, campfire cook, and enjoy the outdoors and our van. And it's so much fun. So come on, let's get this castle van adventure started. Hey guys, happy Valentine's Day. We are expecting a few more snowstorms over the next couple of days, so we have decided to just get in the van and hit the road and go south. We don't really know where we're going yet, headed towards Arkansas. I'm going to do a little research and start finding us a place to stay.
So it's a nice clear trail. You said you can do it in your slippers. You hear the waterfall.
Yeah.
Flora and fauna. Yeah, I smell the pine. I think it's starting to rain a little bit. Oh, and thunder. Wow. Gourmet meal in a van.
Yum.
That's good.
Welcome to Petit Jean State Park in Arkansas, our home for the next few days. This park has some beautiful geological features and some interesting history as well. Petit Jean State Park is located in Conway County, Arkansas, about an hour northwest of Little Rock. It's nestled on top of the Petit Jean Mountain next to the Arkansas River, between the Wichita Mountains and the Ozark Plateaus. Stay with us as we discover why this magical park is truly award-winning.
It's very unique.
So can we go in there? I don't know. Can look from here though. Yeah, super scary. It's these red markers right here. Time for my favorite part of all of our trips, the hiking. Enjoy this first-person view of the Cedar Falls Trail and find out what causes us to get stuck at the end. Hey, those rocks are slippery.
Hey, don't fall in there.
Yeah.
Oh. Watch that.
As you walk through Petit Jean State Park, there's much to read about the origins of the park in the 1920s and 30s. The Civilian Conservation Corps, or the CCC, a New Deal program that was created during the Great Depression in the 30s, is responsible for creating many of the facilities. They built the trails, the bridges, the roads, and most of the structures, including the one at the beginning of this hike. Petit Jean State Park is also a National Historic Marker for the Trail of Tears. There are many places in the park where you can see the path taken by the Cherokee and other southeastern indigenous tribes that were forcibly removed to reservations in Oklahoma.
But I don't know where it goes. There's nowhere to go.
Straight up, I see the red on the tree. Huh? Yeah, so that's the rest of the trail. I think we'll not go through there. This is so cool though. I love this. Climbing over rocks. Good morning. We're having a little tea and coffee. I think we're gonna just hang out around our campsite for a little while longer. Maybe walk around here a little bit. It's really cold outside, so probably just hang out in here. And then we gotta head home pretty soon. We have about a 6-hour drive, and apparently it's gonna dump a foot or more of snow at home. So I wanna get home before that happens, and we don't wanna have to drive through the snow. So as we head back out, maybe give you one more look at the campsite. Can hear the woodpeckers and crows.